Top 10 Dangerous Roads in South Africa. South Africa's Road Traffic Management Corporation, RTMC, has identified the country's most dangerous, high-accident roads. I'm happy to be African YouTuber. This is Shiryu Official. Please subscribe and open notification bell. Thank you. Number 10. R71, Polokwane, Tzaneen. 94.9 kilometers, Limpopo. Number 9. N1, Naboomspruit, Mokopane. 44.3 kilometers, Limpopo. Number 8. R573, Pretoria, Mpumalanga. 73.8 kilometers, Gauteng. Number 7. N12, Springs, Witbank. 101 kilometers, Gauteng. Number 6. N2, Durban, Tong 8. 48.4 kilometers, KwaZulu-Natal. Number 5. N4, Middelburg, Belfast. 71.6 kilometers, Mpumalanga. Number 4. N1, Polokwane, Makado. 109 kilometers, Limpopo. Number 3. N1, Mokopane, Polokwane. 58.4 kilometers, Limpopo. Number 2. N2, Umtata, Kokstad. 188 kilometers, Eastern Cape. Number 1. N2, East London, Umtata. 231 kilometers, Eastern Cape. As you glance through the list, you will see the N2 features in the first and second spot. We take a closer look at the twists and turns present on this well-known South African road. The N2 is a national highway that runs along the coast from Cape Town, in the Western Cape to Ermelo in Mpumalanga. Its breathtaking views of the Indian Ocean and access to picturesque towns makes it a popular route for locals and foreigners. It is not advisable or possible to travel the whole route in one day. Travelers plan their journey over a week or two to enjoy the towns and drive at a comfortable pace. To drive the N2 equates to the Great South African Road Trip. The section from East London to Umtata usually takes 3 to 4 hours to drive. At East London, the N2 turns into the interior of the country to avoid the traitorous roads along the wild coast. From Umtata it is another 3 hours to Kokstad, going further inland into more rural areas. In the past, motorists have noted that it is difficult to see this stretch of road at night, and some have encountered cattle moving slowly across the road. Most accidents, however, are attributed to driver fatigue or speeding, which is easy to imagine considering the high volume of motorists that use the road and the greater distances between rest stops. Okay guys. I would like to take a moment and say thank you to all of my supporters on my YouTube channel. Today, May 8th, my channel has a milestone of 2,806 subscribers. Something I once thought I would never do. But it was not me, it was all of you guys that watch my videos, hit the like buttons, and the share buttons. If it was not for you guys, I could not have achieved this milestone. So we did it together. And as another way to say thank you for your continued support, and for those who like my videos, for the next 30 days, I will be releasing a video every day on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't gotten enough of me, or my videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel for even more videos. And be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below, and tell me what you would like to see in the future. I love you all.